How to become an artist just in 5 minutes. It sounds like impossible, it sounds like a trick, but I will explain you my point. I suppose that if you'd like to be an artist, you need to perform like an artist, to think like an artist, to live like an artist. And the idea is that artists, they draw. So if you'd like to be an artist, the simplest way to achieve this goal is to draw every single day. So I suggest you to do it with me, to draw regularly just for 5 minutes. And during all these summer days, we are drawing from one funny movie. I will show you. I already told about it in my previous videos that during these summer days I decided to film a series of several short tutorials how to get rid of fear of drawing people. So I'm showing how to sketch people very quickly in an expressive way, not realistically at all, just as an illustration. So in this movie there are a lot of different characters which you can use for this practice. So if you'd like to become an artist in these days and using only 5 minutes a day, you can do it. Just believe me, because if you are drawing every day something for 5 minutes, you can create a complete sketch just for 5 minutes. I have done it so many times, so I know what I'm talking about. And in my previous videos you can also find a lot of proofs of these facts. And I would like to share this experience with you. So we are going regularly, sort of every single day. I'm not going to film my practice every single day, but keep in mind that we are in the process. So we are going to draw quick sketches of people. In my previous 2 videos I already explained my technology, how I do it, and how you can apply this technology for your creative journey. So we are going to sketch today for 5 minutes, and this will be our starting point where we show the world that we are artists. For today's practice I found for myself this reference. This is a part of a bigger scene, and these characters, they are actually never, you will never see them again in this movie. That's why it is so interesting to grasp the impression and draw themselves, because you will never see them. It is like a so spontaneous moment. Then you saw something interesting, you depicted it, and you create an interesting emotional sketch. I like this attitude very much. So today we are going to draw this couple. If you like to use your own reference, maybe your own photo, maybe you would like to draw yourself, just focus on a full body photo or video, or so what are you going to use? Full body person. It is our main theme for this summer sketching people training. So it is so long intro, but anyway, I would like to start just to set a timer for 5 minutes. You can find these 5 minutes almost in every moment when you are at home. We don't, to be honest, maybe in your situation you have different experience, but write me in comments if so. But we don't have that much super important and super urgent activities and tasks to do. So you can pause what you are doing here, set the timer for 5 minutes and to draw, and you're already an artist. if you continue act like this, you will be a real artist because you act like an artist. And I will put this photo reference into my free Telegram channel where you can find it. The link will be in the description, so you can use it, or you can use any other reference. So let's start our sketching practice. So our practice is finished. How do you feel? Have you completed your sketch? I will show what have I got finally. When 5 minutes passed, I still decided to add a little bit more time. It took maybe 1 minute more, so 6 minutes. No, I don't care. No, 5 or 6 minutes, it's okay. Both opportunities are perfect. So I have drawn this couple. It is a little bit different from my reference. They have a lot of differences, to be honest, but it is not a problem as for me, because we are not going to redraw everything as it is on the reference. Our main idea is to draw interesting, appealing and emotional sketch to maybe to show some interaction between characters, maybe to change their characters, their personalities, maybe to tell a little bit story about them. So try to not to do it mechanistically, like in a robotic way. You are a human, I hope. So use this strong quality of yourself, and you can exaggerate emotions. You can draw more interesting and appealing outfits. You can add some dynamic to your sketches. Just enjoy your process and feel like today you are really yourself. You are not daydreaming that you are an artist and you have so many beautiful brushes and crayons and markers. No, you really are an artist because you did it, because you were practicing, and it is the best thing you can do for yourself. And by the way, you have another very important benefits when you spend 5 minutes for drawing, 5 at least. Of course, the more time you have, the better. 1 hour of sketching is even better. But if you'd like to start, 5 minutes is already enough to slow down a little bit, to relax, to recharge your batteries, to feel better, to just dive into process, to enjoy your happy moments and your ability to create. And it is not that important what result, what do you get. If you're a beginner, you may not be satisfied. Just write me in comments if you feel this emotion that you are not happy with your sketches. We will discuss it in future, and I hope that I will manage to show you the better way of thinking, because you draw just to enjoy the process. I'm not talking about professional artists. I'm talking about artists inside, artists in soul, who could be, I don't know, lawyer or sportsman or gardener or doctor, but somewhere inside you're still an artist, and this feature could be very, very important for your personality. And I encourage you to not to pay attention for this feature. Don't just say that it is not serious. It is serious. It is part of yourself, and it is not that important that maybe you don't earn money because of it. It is part of your individuality, and it could affect your life in very many situations. So just do it. Just pamper your inner artist and enjoy this process. So I would like to stop somewhere here. I will show you my sketch and the references I already told you in my free Telegram channel, and I encourage you to show your today's sketches, and if you will do it, write a couple of words about you. Who are you? Where are you from? A couple of words about your today's feelings. To maybe you have some new ideas or thoughts, and we can discuss them in comments, or maybe in future videos, or even in live streams. So I hope that this session was interesting and useful for you. In the next video, in next week, I'm going to film several similar sessions, just to adjust this technology of sketching people to, when you know the technology, you need time and you need a lot of attempts just to adjust it, to apply it to your hand and your head, to just make this technology work for you. So it was very interesting and inspiring session for me, and I hope you also find it useful. So I will see you next time, and we will continue our exploration of sketching people, and maybe in future not only people. So stay with me and act like an artist. See you!